Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Brightwood Close, Mandeville, is this income earning property, which is divided into three sections. Section 1 has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, and laundry rooms. Section 2 has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen. Section 3 has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a kitchen. The property has a single garage and about 5 open parking spaces. It has 2 gates, 1 large concrete tank, and 2 black tanks. The land area is approximately 11,270 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.